Hi, I'm James Noble. Today I'm going to walk you through a problem that I had with a C1268 ABS code that just wouldn't go away. It was only in four-wheel drive, four-wheel low. Two-wheel drive, you could clear the code and it's okay. But four-wheel drive, high or low, the code would not clear. And this is what I ran into in case you have a similar problem. Let's look at this diagram. Now, if you see on this diagram, this is what Toyota says you need to have and need to not have, I guess, on our pin 27, which is ADCS. Now, between going back and forth with Toyota, I never could find out what this circuit was, but it must be grounded at all times. Well, I found that the circuit was open, so that circuit's no good, right? I did check pin 5. It wanted pin 5 checked, and it should be open. Unless the four-wheel drive low is detected or the switch is on, that should always be open. So I had open here. I shouldn't have, right? I shouldn't have had open there, but I did. And then I had open where I should have. So I'm good. All I've got to do is fix this open in the ground. Now I went through it and it was somewhere in the dash. So it's safe. I know this is a ground, so it's safe to take it to ground. So I took it to ground. And when I took it to ground, I went to clear the codes, still wouldn't clear codes. The four-wheel drive worked fine. It had no codes in the four-wheel drive, but I'm still having an issue. Well, I went back and forth with Toyota. Our FTS come down and we checked all the wires. Everything was good, but me and him both didn't know what this actually does. And what happened is I kept asking them what tells it's in four-wheel drive because as soon as the ADD, the front automatic differential disconnect, connected, it would set this code. Well, what I didn't know, what you don't know, is apparently let's clear this off. If you have no ground here, I had open lead, and you run reinitialization of our skid control ECU, it then determines that this is a two-wheel drive. And that's what I got into. Somebody had done a 0-point calibration and zero-point calibration and a steering angle sensor, 0-point steering angle sensor. And when they done that with this open, this circuit here open, that caused it to determine it's a two-wheel drive. And what I'd done to fix it, now I know that has to have ground. Everything in the world says that has to have ground. Toyota says it's got to be grounded. So I took and grounded this, right? Once I'd done that, I reinitialized our ABS. And guess what? The code's cleared because this ground, this right here, configures the ABS to know that it is four-wheel drive. Now, I'm James Noble. I worked for Toyota for 15 years. I hope this helped you out. Thank you for watching.